Hey friends, on today's video we want to give you a look inside the Village Hotel, give you a tour of the room that we stayed in when we came here last year for an anniversary time at the Biltmore. We had a really good time here. So tell me a little bit about this place.
So this is the hotel that is in the Village area of the Biltmore Estate, which is filled with shops and restaurants, and sometimes they'll have live music out there. It's right next to the winery, so it's actually a really nice location. You can just walk out your room and go to all these different places, and you're right in the heart of the action right there in the Village.
Yeah, we enjoyed the pool. It had a nice little pool. We went out and swam a little bit, and just a really nice atmosphere. So we're gonna give you a look inside the lobby here. Got checked in, and we're gonna bring you up to the room and give you a look at what one of the rooms looks like. All right, you come right in. We got a little sink, shower with a little barn door.
Nice little bathroom. Nice shower.
There's the showers. Pretty standard.
Hangers. Luggage rack.
Extra blanket, that's always good. Have a little refrigerator here. Let's see.
Put your wine in.
Yeah, put a little bit of, we brought some water bottles so we can keep our own water bottles cold in here. A little coffee station, a little Keurig. Got a little drawer.
If you forget your water, you can pay $3.75.
Yeah.
Or there's a bottle of wine waiting for you.
Come over here to the window. Got a nice little seating area.
Yeah.
And we actually have a direct view of the winery. So there's the inn up there, and the winery in between us.
Mm-hmm.
So nice little courtyard room view. Got a little TV, about 40-inch TV or so. Little desk.
Not big, not small for you.
And is this a queen or king? King. Nice king size bed. So that wraps up the inside look of the room. We really had no complaints about it. The bed was comfortable. We had a really good time here. It was so nice to be walking distance right to the winery and all the shops, and there's lots of things to do. We're going to cover all the things you can do while you're at the Biltmore in another video. But I don't know, what do you think overall of the experience at this hotel?
I thought it was a great experience. I mean, we went to the Biltmore Estate and we did not leave the estate the entire time we were there, and I think we were there for 2 or 3 nights, and there's just plenty to do there. It's very relaxing, it's very peaceful. There's just so much to do there, and again, we'll go over that in another video, but you really can make an entire trip just on the estate.
Yep, so between the two places to stay, this is the lower cost of the two. I was very happy with it. I have no complaints. So hopefully this video gave you a better idea of what is inside the room. And if you have any questions about it, drop it down in the comments below. Otherwise, we'll leave a video up here where you can also watch some of the things to do and other tours and excursions at the Biltmore. So check those out. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day.